Welcome, guys. We are back with another delicious Jamaican Sunday dinner. Today, my husband is making honey garlic roast chicken, and I'm telling you guys, it was finger licking good. The chicken was so tender and juicy. This is like a perfect chicken for Sunday dinner. If you have over family or friends, I'm telling you guys, this meal was well put together. I love it. So stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the Baileys, and you guys know it's Sunday, and Daddy is the one who's in the kitchen cooking rice and chicken. So what for dinner today? Honey garlic chicken. Honey garlic chicken, all right. So we're just gonna put some olive oil on our chicken right now. Rub it in.
Whoa, that was steep.
This just makes the chicken nice and moist and the seasoning soak in. So guys, let's season our chicken. This is an all-purpose chicken seasoning. And in here we have a mixture of the Maggi season and the jerk seasoning. You want to make sure that you rub your seasoning in under the skin, all the creases, everywhere, to make sure your chicken is well seasoned. Last but not least, salt and black pepper, and the chicken is ready for the oven.
Honey garlic chicken today.
Okay. All right.
Just cook it up so.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
the mode, so, you know. The way I cook it back in here.
So you're gonna put the chicken in the oven now. Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken in the oven, and it's gonna stay there and bake for 15 minutes while he works on the sauce to baste the chicken. So this is
Freeze lime.
okay.
Lime juice.
All right.
Some honey. Some sugar.
Okay. And he's just gonna mix it out. Okay, so this is looking good. This sauce is looking good.
We're gonna add some garlic too. A little butter. Fresh garlic.
Guys, as you can see, the garlic is getting brown. It's changing color. So that's good, because this is like one of the main flavor of the chicken. So we do want the garlic, you know. Honey garlic roast chicken it is today. So this is the sauce that he made earlier with the soya sauce, honey, lime, and brown sugar.
I'll add a little browning to it.
Okay.
Just a little.
Just for coloring. Okay. Okay, so I let this boil for 5 minutes on medium heat, and now I'm just gonna take it off, okay, for it to cool. And when it's cool, it will get a little more syrupy, right, to baste the chicken. Okay guys, so this is the chicken after 20 minutes in the oven, and he's gonna baste it now with the sauce that he made.
Oh yes, looking sweet and nice. Looking juicy already. And just started. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like bite off piece and back leg right now.
Nobody bite and shorten my dinner.
Girl, you're looking so nice. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna put him in back now.
So he's gonna put it back in now for another 15 minutes and then we'll baste it again. Because you're pretty much basting it every 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, so this is the chicken and this is our second time taking it out. It is looking so good and delicious. Oh yes, I love how the chicken look, Daddy. He's gonna be basting it a second time now. Finger licking good, guys. Finger licking good. Okay, guys. So he's gonna put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes, and I think that's gonna be it. You guys can see my husband is doing a different kind of chicken today, and it is looking really good. I can't wait to taste this. Yes, Daddy. Looking good. I'm home today, guys, so it's my weekend off, so I'm in the kitchen and I am actually helping.
Oh yeah. Looking nice.
So the chicken is ready, guys, and I'm telling you, I can't wait to eat right now. Yes, guys. Lovely chicken. As you can see, I'm cutting into the chicken and it's so tender and juicy. Yes, look at that. Very nice.
Potato salad with egg and corn and mayonnaise.
Alright.
And a little onion.
Okay.
Just grate a little onion in it. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Now just mash it up now. Mash up the salad. Add the corn to it now. We're gonna add some mayonnaise.
Salad is ready, guys.
Yeah.
Nice shelly.
Shelly. Like a shelly belly.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to do the vegetables. So pretty much it's just butter. And I'm doing frozen vegetables today. And then I'm just going to add some olive oil. So this will be for our vegetables today. We're not doing the usual shredded one. We'll just let this steam and turn the stove down on the table. I'm gonna share Daddy's dinner right now, guys. So guys, the Sunday dinner is ready. Yeah. Yes guys, the Sunday dinner looking really nice and ready to eat. Yes, big up Chef Cutter. Every time. Yes, time to eat. Thank you for this food. Thank you for providing for us. Thank you for Daddy for cooking. Bless this food with your blood and sanctify it in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Amen, Josiah. Amen, Mickey. Amen, Mickey. Amen, Daddy. All right, guys, let's eat. Me. Yeah. Like your shrimp?
Of course, but he's...
What about your chicken? You ate your chicken already, man? This was good?
Of course it is. My daddy made it super good.
Oh, yeah. Mmm. Yummy.
Oof, it's a shrimp. Oof. Ow.
What you say, Daddy? Dinner up?
You look at the shrimp like that.
So you need some gravy? Okay, make up. Guys, look for my dinner, guys. Oh my gosh. My dinner look nice and tastes so delicious. Cheers, Daddy.
Mickey, my tongue's burning.
Juice tastes so good, guys.
Oh.
Mmm. Guys, the chicken tastes nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.